Good morning, Dynamite Kids. Happy Monday. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2020, and it is another week of distance learning. I've actually lost count now of how many weeks we've been doing this, but we're going to have another great week. So to start off our week, just like every Monday, a few things to look forward to this week include blank, blank, and blank. So my things to look forward to is I am back at my apartment officially. I get to spend some time with Mr. Ryan, and I am excited to see the adventures of Flat Miss So those are the things that I am going to look forward to this week. All right, I can't wait to hear about yours. So our quote for our Monday, our motivational Monday quote is a pebble cast into a pond causes ripples that spread in all directions. Each one of our thoughts, words, and deeds is like that. And that is by Dorothy Day. What a nice quote to start our Monday morning. All right, so remember, the first thing we are doing is watching, hopefully, this video that I am making currently and filling in our daily check-in sheet. Tell me about your weekend. Today we are doing something special. We are going to go back to our Monday Zoom call at 11 o'clock, so please be there or don't be there. Up to you, but I would love to see your faces. So take a look at that. Also, we'll be talking about a project, so hopefully you do come because that's really important. All right, so our new Spirit Week. I was in a very dog mood, as you can tell by all the pictures, but today is Pattern Day. Make it funky. Wear zigzags, polka dot stripes, or anything with a pattern. Bonus, try to put multiple patterns together, and you will be in the shout out video. All right. Our shout outs. So one shout out that I did put up already, and then tomorrow you got to check on out to find other shout outs. But our shout out is from Mrs. Godine, Nurse Godine. She was very appreciative of all of the pictures that we sent to her for Nurses Day last week. So this was a little message from her that she emailed me to show you guys. So it was very nice of her to reach back out. Reading this week. So we are still focusing on the Native Americans. We are on the same topic. However, we are doing 3 new subtopics. And we are going to be focusing on politics, so like government. We learned about government, food, yum, 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 and immigration. Ooh, big word that we're going to have to learn about this week and maybe figure out what that word means if you don't know what it means. So you're going to be reading your EPIC books and using your links to research these 3 subtopics. Make sure when you're taking your notes today on paper, we're going to do Padlet tomorrow, so don't be emailing me or writing in the group. We're not using Padlet this week. Not this week. We're not using Padlet today. That may be my question for the day. We are not using Padlet today. We will tomorrow. So make sure when you're taking your notes on your paper, knowing that we're using Padlet tomorrow, your notes should be in your own words. There is no copying and pasting from links or books. You're supposed to be absorbing this information in your head and then making it into your own words on paper. That's the way we learn. There is a teacher review video here that you can check on out. Moving on, we have your links. I'm going to click here to show you. Your links for your books are the pictures, and underneath are the links here for the articles. I just realized I was not in presentation mode this whole time. Silly misser. Math today. We are going to be doing a fraction checkup on Google Forms. After you're done with that, you're going to be making a Flipgrid reflection on fractions, and you have to explain to me how to compare fractions using area models or number lines. So you can pick either or. So I want you to be able to explain how are you going to compare 2 different fractions using area models or number lines. And we are not doing writing this week. We are taking a break from writing this week. We are focusing on reading and math and giving it our 110% effort throughout this week and not doing any writing. That does not mean you don't have to do writing if you want to do writing. So maybe something you can do for writing is you can write long about your topic for Native Americans. Maybe you can write a personal narrative of something that you and Flat Miss did, like a personal narrative story like we did in the beginning of the year. Maybe you can do a realistic fiction story, right, where the character's in third person. Maybe you can write an opinion essay about something in your life that you want to write an opinion essay about. But we are not doing something this week for me. So that is up to you. And I will add some options tomorrow for our video. Speaking of options, here we have our optional early finishers activities. We have our reading article, our reading websites, our math websites, including our math songs. Here we have cursive writing, where you can practice your cursive writing. And then we have some coding and typing. And this week, our brain breaks are here, including our virtual field trip and our mystery signs. So there will be no longer slides for them, but they are here in the early finishers if you would like to participate in them. That is all that I have for you this morning in our video. I'm sorry I did not put it in presentation mode. That was a little silly of me. What happens when you do things late at night. But I look forward to seeing you in Zoom in a little bit, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, boys and girls.